welcome back to my channel. This is going to be my most updated makeup tutorial. I know I have posted a couple, but I have gotten into more new products and what has been working for me the best, and a lot of the products are drugstore, so I just want to give you guys the tea so you guys can go ahead and get put on just like I did. So if you're interested, let's get right into it. First things I always like to make sure is that my face is completely moisturized. I use the Nivea cream and I make sure I just apply this all over my face because I suffer a lot from dry skin, and honestly it's very annoying when I do my makeup and my face is very cakey. That is something that nobody wants. I don't like my face looking cakey. I don't like to look like I have a pound of makeup on. I like my face to look smooth as possible. I know it's very hard, but it's still possible to look not as cakey. After I apply my cream, I go in with my face primer, and this is from Maybelline. It's the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. I apply this to my T-zone. I apply it to my nose area right here on top of like my brows, and I apply it sometimes under my chin. This is so affordable, guys, and it works so good for me. Like as soon as you apply it, you feel how smooth it is. With two foundations, I actually blend my foundations, so I use the L'Oreal 305 Inflatable Total Coverage. This is a 24 hours coverage, and I also use the Maybelline 320 Matte Poreless Normal to Oily. I use this on my skin. I like to basically put both because since this is matte and this is oily, it kind of creates like a mixture so my face doesn't get very dry. Like I've mentioned, my face is very dry, so I like to use these two on my face and it just works perfectly, like completely perfectly. So if you guys are looking for a total full coverage, I would go ahead and buy this and this one as well. Like you guys don't have to mix, try, but they're both affordable. So what I like to do is I lay down my eyebrows completely different. It's weird, I know, but I just haven't had the time to buy another eyebrows stuff. So I've been using Elmer's glue stick, and I glue down my eyebrows completely down, and I just create like the glue down, what is it called? I don't remember what it's called right now, but I know I glue down my eyebrows, and then I go ahead and I use my Morphe palette and I use the brown shade, and I just line the bottom, and I just create like an illusion of like a straight line under it, just to like carve out it perfectly and for them basically to look like sisters as much as possible. I know everybody's eyebrows look different. Some of you guys are blessed with bomb eyebrows, but growing up I always used to mess up my eyebrows. Once I'm done, I go in with my Tarte concealer and I clean the bottom edges with a sharp brush. Like you have to make sure that it's completely rounded and you're able to get under your brows. Like that's something you have to make sure. If not, you're gonna feel like it's not coming out sharp, it's not coming as clean as possible. So that's all you have to make sure. After I do my brows, I like to go ahead and apply my concealer over my face. So I apply a lighter shade right on the inner corners of my eye, and it basically looks white. It's the e.l.f. 16-hour Camel Concealer, and this is the matte finish, and this one is the light sand. I apply this to my inner corners just because I like to look bright in my inner corners, and then I go ahead and I follow up with my Tarte concealer, which this one is in the medium sand, and I apply it here on my outer, so it kind of gives me like the lift look as we're going for. Once I do that, I do go ahead and do my contour, and with my contour I like to use my Pro concealer, and it's from LA. This is in the color dark Koa, I think that's how you say it, I'm not sure, but I like to apply the contour to the side of my cheeks. I like to apply it here on my forehead, and just so it can give me like a nice warm tone that I like. I don't like to look too white, I don't like to look too tan. I just like to look in between and just give me that nice definition that I want on my face. So that's really what I really go for. Once I go ahead and I finish doing that, I go in with my Fit Me Bare Light finishing loosing powder, guys, this is the thing. Okay, this is what I'm telling you guys. When I feel like my pores, you can't see it, you guys have to go grab this. It's about like 10 bucks. I purchased mine on Amazon. Just try to get a lighter shade so you can actually illuminate the inner corners of your eyes and on your cheeks. Like, this is absolutely amazing. Like, you try it, you're gonna literally be, oh my god, I'm so glad Gabby told me about this. So run, go get it now. It's my Dior Backstage Glow Face palette, and I like to use the bronze shade, which is right here, and this is where I create the bronzy highlighted glow look, and I apply it to all over my forehead, on the top. I like to use it on my cheekbone area, and I like to apply some on my areas of my chin, just so it can give me like a very sharp look, which who does not like that? Once I am done with that, I go ahead and I contour my nose. I use the same bronze. I add just a little bit. I like to brush off a little bit so it's not that dark, and I brushed on my nose up and down just so it can kind of look perfect, formed. I don't look too botched, and my nose doesn't look like it's not really like how I look. That's another thing. I like to just enhance my beauty. I don't like to like overdo my makeup that it doesn't look like me when I'm not wearing makeup, if that makes sense. Once I am done doing all of this, I like to apply my liner, and I like to be using lately my white eyeliner, and it's from NYX, guys, and this is just the white eyeliner, and you can find this on Amazon. You can find this on, if you're looking my lashes way before this video, but if you like to wear lashes, go ahead and apply lashes. If not, you add mascara. It's completely up to your choice, however you want. But if you're looking for a good mascara, I would highly recommend this Essence Lash Princess, and this would literally give you the lash effect. Like, I kid you not, guys, I have wore it without my lashes and it looks bomb AF. Like, y'all need to go grab it. Now we're gonna hop into the lips. I do create like a combo, and my lips, I do it with this brand that I purchased from Amazon, and I like to outline it with a dark brown all over my lips, and then I go in with my Kylie basic velvet lipstick, and then I just keep going out on the sides, but I don't fill in my lips completely. What I do like to go ahead and use, and I use my concealer, it's my Tarte. I grab some and I put it on my fingers, and then I apply it to my lips, just so it can create like a really nice nude look. And I feel like this has been working for me, like honestly the best, and it's just my go-to lips now. So it creates my lips like this. Once I am completely done doing my makeup, applying everything, I go in with my Milani Make It Last Original Setting Spray, guys, and I literally spray like 5-6 times, and then I dry it, and my makeup stays on all day. Like, I've had this makeup on for about 6-8 hours now, and my face has not moved. I haven't had to reapply eyeliner, haven't had to retouch my eyebrows, haven't had to retouch my lipstick. It has stayed on, and the glow you guys see on the tip of my nose is from my highlight, Glow Clit, and it's from the shade Summer. So this is literally what's highlighting on my tip of my nose, and the bridge right here, as you can see, and some on this area right over here. So this glow kit is something else that I've been using. That was the end of today's video. I really hope you guys got a lot of good info about the makeups that I use. I will be linking everything down in the description box below in case you guys want to purchase everything from Amazon, which I know it's a lot easier, and I know now in times we just get everything delivered to our house, so why not? So I'm so happy I put you guys on. Let me know if this video was helpful in the comments down below, and let me know any other video ideas you guys would like me to do, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.